Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text vertical in PowerPoint table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. We can see here many slides. Now we want to add text vertically in table. At first, we insert a slide. Go to the new slide option, choose blank. Then go to the insert menu. Now I am select the table option. Then make a table. Then write anything to this table cells. Then select any text. Then go to the layout menu. We can see here the text direction. Now we want to make the text vertical. Select this 90-degree option. Then change the size of this table. We can see we change the direction very easily. You can change this direction, rotate 270-degree. Otherwise you can make customizedly. We can see here the margin top right and corner. You can change the direction using this option. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.